How's it going, guys? It's Ike here with Seat Cover Solutions. Today we got this nice 2022 Chevy Silverado. Got our covers right here in hand. About to transform this ride. Come on. Just hop inside the truck. As you can see, it's got some gray, bland leather seats. It's time to get this thing an upgrade. Let's put our seat covers on them. Inside the Chevy, as you guys can see, the headrest doesn't come off, so it makes the install a little bit more challenging, but still overall pretty easy to get it on. We'll show you guys how it is. Front seat install finished. Let's get this back seat installed.
It's my Ave N incarnate.
Alright guys, back seat install finished. Now the full vehicle is fully covered by our seat covers. Let's take a look at it. If you guys want to get covers of your own, check us out at seatcoversolutions.com.